Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm here to talk to you about the World of Improv Flex class that I'll be offering through Outschool.com. So these are very high content, very interactive, a lot of activities that the students can do on their own and interact with the teacher, with myself on live chat and with other students. So it comes in 4 parts. The first part shows the student how to create their own one-person presentation or one-person show. The second part is all about the almost free improv comedy. There will be games introduced for icebreakers, for character development, and also for scene development. Part 3 is an introduction to the 21st century hero's journey, which offers 9 steps on character analysis, character development. It's comedy and dramatic improv where the students get to play their favorite characters from any movie, book, or television show they want, and they get to apply the story to their own real lives. And the final part is the introduction to the creativity workshop class, where the students get to use these improv skills in their real lives, and they can create something, life moments, create meaningful life moments. So I'm very excited to be offering this Flex class. Please email me any questions. I'm here to help in any way I can.